Hi guys, this is Mario from Dual Core Studio. In the last episode, we learned how to follow our player with the camera, and in this episode, I will show you how to add camera borders. So let's go to our camera follow script. Here I will need public bool border, and also I need some float variables. So I will need public float minimum on X and public float maximum on X. I will copy this and paste it below so I can change this to Y and this to Y because I will also need minimum and maximum value on Y. So in update function, if my border is true, then I want to add a border to my camera position. So uh, here I will say transform that position of my camera is equal to new vector 3, and here I will clamp my X and Y value. So first I want to clamp X value. For that I need to use math.f.clamp, and as I said, I will clamp X position first, so transform that position X, and I want to clamp it between minimum X and maximum X. Now I can copy this and paste it here and change this to Y because I also want to clamp Y position. And here I can say transform that position dot z because we are in 2D, so I don't want to change this. How this works? If our border is true, then I want to set position of my camera to this vector 3, and vector 3 has X, Y and Z, but we claimed X between minimum and maximum, and we claimed Y between minimum Y and maximum Y. So let's go back to Unity to see if it's working. First, I want to play with border at false. So as you can see, camera follows my player perfectly. That's great. But if I turn on my border, so if my border is true, and now I want to set minimum and maximum position. For X, minimum will be -3, let's say, and maximum will be 4. So as you can see, our camera has position X, Y and Z, and if this X is -3, this, or 4, camera will stop follow our player. So let's press play, and if we go to the right, see, camera no longer follows our player, and you can see that position is 4 and it can go to 5 or greater numbers, so it's stuck at 4. This border you can set to true or false in script. For example, if your player enters some trigger, then you can enable or disable this border. Or you can just enable it in the inspector here from the start of your game, so it will be always active. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and see you next week.